Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot Zoom audio. Let's consider that you joined a meeting, class a class meeting, and the teacher asked you to answer a question, but they didn't hear your answer because you have the audio problem on Zoom meeting. So here you will find the solution that can fix that trouble. Okay, let's get right in. So first, what you gotta do, you need to search for settings, Windows settings, click on that gear, and once you are here, you will go on the left side and all the way down into privacy and security. Click on it and then scroll down until you see voice activation. Then click on that option. Alright, here we can see microphone on the top, so we will click on it and then we will turn the microphone on if it's off. Alright, then let's look for Zoom app. Here we can see the Zoom Workplace app. Turn on that choice from off to on. So that will 100% solve the microphone troubleshoot or the troubleshoot of Zoom audio. Anyways, once you get back to your Zoom and let's consider that you want to join the class meeting again, you will find that your microphone is working 100%. Anyways, guys, that's the video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you in next video. Bye bye.